Hi, this is Michelle Cromer. This is your Feng Shui question and tip of the week, and it comes from Madelyn O'Brien in Boston. Madelyn, I'm an O'Brien from Austin, and she says, Michelle, I'm finding it difficult to implement change. Change seems so overwhelming, and I find that I instead do nothing. Can you give me some tips on how to begin to implement change in my life? Thank you for the question, for your honesty. And yes, I have found in my Feng Shui practice that when people do small things to change their lives, that can equate to larger things. For example, let's just say you didn't really say what you want to change, but let's just say you want to change your physical self. Well, walk around the block one time every day for 1 week. The next week, 2 blocks, the next week, 3 blocks. And so you have this little chipping process that occurs. Or perhaps it's your diet. So you could say something like, on Mondays and Tuesdays, I'm going to eliminate sugar. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth. And so you add that up, and that can really change your diet. Another thing I would ask you to do is to take the emphasis off yourself and be kind. Do something like some sort of service, one person every week. And that could be as simple as letting somebody cut in front of you on the highway, or being nice to the person at Target. I have found in my own life, when I take the emphasis off of me and on to somebody else, that really helps me get my center and gets me grounded. So I hope that that helps, and thank you so much for the question. Y'all ask me anything at michelle@michellekromer.com, or visit my website, michellekromer.com, if you would like to have your power color, or visit me at Michelle Cromer Feng Shui on Facebook. Thanks.